In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a page in Confluence. Archiving pages is a great way to keep your workspace organized and tidy, especially when you have old projects or information that you no longer actively use but might want to reference later. So, let's dive into the process. To get started, you'll first need to be on your Confluence homepage. This is your main hub, where all your spaces and pages are visible. From here, you want to locate and select the workspace where the page you wish to archive resides. This step is crucial because you need to ensure you're in the right place to find the specific page. Once you've chosen your workspace, it's time to find the page you want to archive. Simply navigate through the list of pages on the sidebar, or use the search function if you have many pages and need to save some time. Now that you've located the page, it's time to click on it. This will open up the page, and from here, you'll be able to access its options. Look to the top right corner area of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Actions menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. This will display a drop-down menu with several actions you can perform on the page. Next, you'll need to find the option labeled Archive. Clicking on this will initiate the archiving process for the page. A dialog box will typically appear, providing you with a few options. This is your chance to add optional notes about why you're archiving the page. Perhaps it's a project that has concluded or information that's been superseded by newer data. Adding notes is helpful not only for you, but also for team members who might revisit the archived page in the future. Once you've added your notes, if any, there's just one last step to go. You'll need to click on Archive again, but this time it serves as your confirmation. By doing this, the page is officially archived. This doesn't delete the page. It simply moves it into the archive section of your workspace, where it will remain accessible should you or your team need it in the future. And that's it. You've successfully archived a page in Confluence. Remember, keeping your workspace clean and organized helps improve productivity and makes navigation much easier for everyone involved. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your digital workspace. Until next time, happy organizing.